So now let's see how we can move and transform text inside of GIMP. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around and type in, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and type in tube right here, just like this. So of course I can go around and then let's say for example, resize out the typing area right here and then change around the font size right here. But if I were to go around onto the move tool, then I can go around and move this out right here. And you can see that it is still text around over here. But if I were to go around onto the transform tool right here, so if I were to go around onto transform tool and then rotate it, let's say for example, then what happens is that you can see that I can simply go around over here and rotate it around right here. I can go around, change around the anchor point around over here as well. You can go around and scale it out right here just like this, and then once you go around and scale it, you can see that I can go around over here and now it actually changes out into regular pixels. It is not text anymore, but it is pixels now right here. So now if I were to go around onto the unified transform tool right here, I can go around and skew it and do everything, and now it gets converted into let's say for example onto pixels right here. And that is what you have when you go around and transform out your particular text. It gets converted into pixels just like this. And that is how you can move and transform out your text inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.